I am tired of the excuses you give to yourself. I'm tired of everything that you do in order to keep yourself stuck, to keep yourself unmotivated, unambitious. I'm just tired of seeing you guys being so stuck into something that doesn't even serve you even a little bit. Not even a little bit. Honestly, life is all about trying. And why are we afraid of trying? Why the hell are we afraid of trying? Isn't it what life is about? Like, life is all about trying. Failing doesn't matter. Like, failure doesn't matter. If failure doesn't happen, then how can we know where do we need to better ourselves? What should be changed? What should we keep in our mind? Failure is not a bad thing. Failure is not something that we should be afraid of. Instead, I think we should be best friends with failure, because failure teaches us a lot about ourselves, what we can do to improve ourselves, to improve the outcome, to improve our lifestyle, to improve our relationships with ourselves, with everyone around us. Like, failure is such a beautiful thing. Failure is such a beautiful concept. Why do we chase perfection every time? We should not chase perfection. We should not. Why are we so busy in chasing perfection? Like, why? Honestly, why? What is perfect? Like, what is perfect for you might be imperfect for me, and what is perfect for me might be imperfect for you. Like, perfection differs because humans have their own opinions, they have their own set of views, they view things very differently. What I view as beautiful might be the most ugliest thing you have ever laid your eyes on, and what is most beautiful for you might be the most ugliest thing I have ever saw in my whole life. So that when we know that every human sees through their own lens, through their own opinions, through their own set of views, then why do we chase perfection every single time? Why are we afraid of failure? I will never understand what is the need of being afraid to try. Like, what is the worst can happen? Like, what's the worst can happen? The worst scenario might be failure. The worst case scenario might be you failing into something which you thought you'd crack. What's more than that? Like, honestly, what's more than that? If you fail at it, you can try again. You can plan something. You can at least know that what can you plan next, what can you do next for a better output. You can know what is the best input that you can give to get different results, to get different output. Please stop wasting your potential. Please trust me, the minute you start using your potential, the minute you start using the ideas you have in your head, the ideas that is the ideas that exist inside your brain, inside your mind, inside your soul, the minute you try to, the minute you just try to execute them, is the minute you will know what you are meant for. You will just know, you will have this blind faith that this is it. And trust me, you have to have that trust in that faith, in that whatever you want to call. I personally call it universe. Like, I have this blind faith in universe that the path I am in is meant for me. It is my path. I am meant to do this. Do you think that I see results like this? No, I am still going on. Why? Because I have this blind faith that I am meant for it. I am meant for it. How can I know? How can I know? If I do not try, how can I know that this is not for me? You have to try. You have to try. You cannot sit, you cannot rot in your bed thinking that this is not for me, I cannot do this. No, you haven't even tried. You didn't even try. How can you know that if it is meant for you or not if you didn't even take the first step yet? You say you want to be a content creator, you say you want to be a YouTuber, but you didn't even post a single video. You didn't even shoot. Live about posting. You didn't even shoot. If you didn't shoot your video, then how can you know? How can you post? How can you know if it is meant for you or not? You didn't even take the first step and you are here crying that this is not meant for me. Dude, chill. Chill the fuck out and just take your damn first step. I'm tired of seeing people wasting their potential just because they think they cannot do it, just because they think लोग क्या कहेंगे. अरे लोग गए भैंस चराने, लोग गए भैंस चराने, तुम अपना काम करो. Don't you think my whole family is against me? My whole family is against me, leaving very few people. Like, there are only very few people in my family members. I bet 90% of my family is against me. They do not know what I'm doing. They are thinking that I will give up. They are thinking that this is going to be a huge failure. They are thinking, I know, I just know who all are thinking that I am a failure. I will fail very badly. But I also know who all are supporting me just as I am supporting myself. I know. And I don't have this need to prove anyone wrong. I just don't care about. I just don't care about them. So why should I care about proving them wrong? I'm really grateful for that. Like, this is a huge achievement for me that I am shooting this video, I'm filming this, I am about to edit, and I am about to post it. This is a huge achievement itself. Achievement doesn't come in numbers and all. Achievement is the first step you take, because many people, they do not even take the first step. They are so afraid that they rot in the bed, they overthink, they do everything else rather than doing what they can do to execute their ideas. And if you are taking your first step, be fucking proud of yourself, because life is hard. Let's be honest, life is very hard. And you are doing absolutely a great job by trusting in yourself. Do not compromise yourself, do not underestimate yourself. You have so many talents. Success is not possible if you won't stop comparing yourself. Success is not possible. Success is only possible the minute you start trusting yourself, the minute you start trusting your efforts. Feed your mind consciously, feed your mind positively. Your mind creates your reality. Your mind is the most powerful tool, it creates your reality. So feed positively, feed positive things into your mind. Do not overthink, do not think about negative things. What if everything works out? So why not to train our brain to work according to ourselves? Let's train our brain so that it can work for ourselves and not against us. Like, please, please, the way you overthink about the negative things, just do the opposite. Overthink, but overthink about the positive things. Because trust me, success is only possible through having this faith in yourself. Because how can you achieve success if you do not even trust yourself? Because success comes with trust. I'm not saying that be positive every day. Obviously, we can't. We are humans. We cannot be positive. We cannot stay positive every fucking time. But there is a limit. There are limits. If you feel bad, be open about it. Cry. Cry openly for hours until and unless you are done with it. And once you are done, it is done. Do not look back onto that. Move on to the next. So please try to understand what I'm trying to say is, because this video is just not for you, but it is also for me. Sometimes I try to give up. Sometimes I try to give up on everything and return to where I once was. So I hope that this video gave you some sort of motivation, some sort of reassurance, so that you can continue to execute your dreams, so that you can continue to trust in yourself and take that damn first step. I believe in you, I trust in you, you can do it. Anyways, bye. I'll see you in the next one.